Feel like you can't find a bra that fits? Learn how to measure your bra size accurately using some tips from this brief video. 1. Bra size starts with the underbust measurement. Measure your ribcage snugly below your bust with a measuring tape. Take a measurement in inches or centimeters with the tape level around your body and parallel to the ground. Compare this measurement to a bra size chart to find your corresponding band size. 2. Next, find your bust measurement by wrapping the tape around the fullest area of your breasts, parallel to the ground, and not too tight or loose. Measure in inches or millimeters. This measurement will help you determine cup size in the next step. 3. Subtract the underbust measurement step 1 from the bust measurement step 2. Cup sizes vary by inch or centimeter. Be careful to subtract from the underbust measurement, not the equivalent band size. The difference between the underbust and bust measurements determines your cup size. Refer to a bra size chart to find the corresponding letter. Refer to a bra size chart to find the corresponding letter. Find your complete bra size by putting your band and cup sizes together.